Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Horror Black from Incredibox Sprunki. To draw Black's face, I used a geometric compass. Follow along with me to create a perfect circle. Place the sharp, pointed leg of the compass in the center where you want to draw the face, and adjust the distance between the pencil and the pointed leg. Now, draw a circle. Make sure the pointed leg remains stationary, while only the pencil moves back and forth. As I delve into the world of Sprunki, I'm struck by the drastic transformation of Black in his horror version. He towers slightly above the other characters, his body eerily caved in. But what's most unsettling is his balloony-looking head, which replaces his usual cartoonish features with a duotone realistic human face, shrouded in darkness, no less. What's more, Black emits a heavy ambience that's reminiscent of distorted radio feedback, sending chills down my spine. It's clear that Black is an ominous and violent character, responsible for plunging the Sprunki world into chaos. His troubled past is evident, with hints that he's been fricked up from the start. Despite his dark nature, Black's personality is complex. He's been known to break character and reveal a kind, grandfatherly side. However, his forgetfulness is also a notable trait, as evidenced by his failure to eliminate Gray and Jevon, and his inability to take down the immortal Funbot. When Black is present, the atmosphere becomes even more foreboding. His sprite remains idle as a haunting horror ambience plays, utilizing the unsettling sounds of Mother 3 New.sf2/metal ambience. It's a truly unnerving experience, and one that leaves a lasting impression. As I explore the world of Sprunki, I've noticed that Black is a character like no other. He's the only one who doesn't appear in normal mode, and placing him instantly transports you to horror mode. This unique trait makes his normal form non-canonical, and it's as if he's been fricked up from the start, as creator Nyanko puts it. It's possible that Black has been cursed, and his existence is shrouded in mystery. What's fascinating about Black is that he's the only character without an officially given name, as seen in the in-game gallery. When you try to drag his icon to a blank polo without placing every character before him, a message appears on screen from Black, warning you to meet your friends first, before messing with him. The icon even violently shakes and moves back to its original position, as if Black is exerting some kind of paranormal control. I used cool gray colors for the face and body of my Horror Black drawing. Although it appears black, it's actually a clever use of gray tones. I employed a darker cool gray for the body and the top part of the face, while a lighter shade of cool gray was used for the human-like face. As a finishing touch, I utilized a black gel pen to add shading, dots, and shaky spots to the face. If you are watching the video till now, then thank you so much for your time. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.